Hi everyone, welcome back to ICT Focus. Today we're talking about how you can use free Google tools to organize your life, schedule events, track to-dos, store and access files, all on one platform. If you're juggling work, projects, personal tasks, studies, this video will help you create a simple but powerful system using tools you already have: Google Calendar, Google Tasks, and Google Drive. Let's get started. Why use Google tools? Google Calendar. Tasks and Drive are free with a Google account and are synced across devices like phone, laptop, tablet. By using tools from the same ecosystem, you avoid juggling many apps. Everything stays connected: your schedule, tasks, documents, and reminders. This makes it easier to stay organized, reduce digital clutter, and keep work and personal life in balance. Using Google Calendar, plan your time, what you can do. Schedule events, meetings, appointments, personal tasks like birthdays, family matters, etc. You can color code events for instance work, personal or family events, so you visually distinguish different areas of life. Set recurring events, good for regular commitments, weekly meetings, monthly bills, family time, etc. Why it matters. Visualizing your time helps avoid overbooking, ensures you don't forget important events, and gives a clear weekly monthly outlook. Using Google Tasks, track your to-dos. You can create tasks with titles, due dates, and optional descriptions. It allows you to manage your to-dos right from Gmail, Calendar, or other Google apps. No need to open a separate app. You can create separate task lists for work, personal, study, family projects to keep things organized. Calendar and tasks integration. Tasks with due dates show up automatically in Google Calendar alongside your events, so you see both appointments and to-dos in one place. Why it matters. Tasks help you capture things you don't want to forget: errands, ideas, deadlines, reminders. By integrating with Calendar, you combine your schedule and to-do list for a unified overview. Using Google Drive, store and access files anywhere. You can store documents, images, PDFs, anything you need in the cloud. It allows you to access files from any device with your Google account: computer, phone, tablet. You can organize files into folders: work, personal, family, projects. It enables you to share files or folders with others, family, colleagues, friends, which is helpful for collaboration or family planning. Why it matters? You don't lose important documents. You can access them from anywhere, and you can collaborate or share easily. This is especially useful if you work on multiple projects, run small business ideas, or manage household tasks. Building a simple life management system. Here's how I suggest combining Calendar, Tasks, and Drive for a smooth, simple life management setup. Use Calendar for anything time-based: appointments, events, meetings, family and kids schedule. Use Tasks for short and midterm to-dos: errands, reminders, study items, project subtasks. Use Drive for storing documents, project files, share family files, important records. Review weekly. Check Calendar for the coming week. Review tasks and mark done or reschedule. Ensure files are organized in Drive. This simple system helps you stay on top of work, personal life, family, and even long-term projects, especially useful if you juggle multiple roles. Tips and best practices. Color code calendars: work, family, personal. This helps visually separate life areas. Create multiple task lists: work, home, kids, side business. This practice helps to keep things clearer than a single long list. Use due dates and reminders, so nothing slips through the cracks. Keep your Drive folder structure simple and consistent, for instance, like work, personal, projects, kids, family. Review periodically. Weekly or monthly check-ins help you stay organized and avoid backlog. That's it. A straightforward, free, powerful system to manage your time, tasks, and files using Google Tools. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to ICT Focus, share the video with friends, family, colleagues, leave a comment. Tell me how you manage your life with these tools or what challenges you face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.